Okay, so this is the extension ladder on engine 35. Your base section, your fly sections. This is the pulley system right here. These are the rungs. Right here you have the halyard that you pull, tied in none other than the clove hitch. Down in here you have the dogs right here, the paws, whatever your preference is. This is the butt of the ladder. That's the tip of the ladder. And these are the rails. This is a 3-section. These 2 sections right here will be the fly. This one right here is the base section. And it's guided on guiders right there. That's what it's guided up on. And it's stored in our box over there. That's our extension ladder.